This is a place on earth where water doesn't just fall down, it appears to flow upward. This strange phenomenon can be seen at the Kinder downfall. At first glance, it looks like a normal waterfall, water falling from a height, crashing down into the rocks below. But then something unusual happens. Instead of continuing downward, the water suddenly changes direction. It begins to rise, lifting into the air as if gravity has reversed. This isn't an illusion, it's real, and it happens because of extremely powerful winds. In certain conditions, strong gusts of wind push the falling water upward with such force that it appears to reverse its direction. The water breaks into mist and sprays back into the sky, creating a surreal and almost dreamlike scene. Standing near this waterfall feels unreal. You can see the water fighting against gravity, rising into the air, almost floating. It doesn't look like nature as we understand it. It looks like something from another world. What makes it even more fascinating is that this doesn't happen all the time. It only appears when the wind is strong enough, making it a rare, unpredictable sight. Some people travel long distances just to catch a glimpse of this moment. In the end, this place reminds us that nature doesn't always follow simple rules. Sometimes, under the right conditions, even the impossible can appear real.